Across Chelan County, local landowners are working with funding and field crews from Cascadia Conservation District to improve our waters, one stretch of stream at a time. Focusing on streamside areas, called riparian zones, they use natural materials to install wood structures and plant native species to improve water quality, manage erosion and flood damage, and restore habitat that fish and wildlife need to thrive.
So currently, Cascadia can provide funding and labor for projects to improve riparian habitat. That includes planting native species and diversifying the vegetation that's on a creek or along a creek. And then we'll also are able to put in structures like BDAs and wood additions.
Cascadia Conservation District is a hub of non-regulatory natural resource support for the people of Chelan County, including people like Cordi Bradburn and her husband, who have been partnering with the Conservation District for 6 years to improve riparian areas on their property.
I remember that we asked for their help because we had an incident here where some neighbors dumped a bunch of tires into the creek, up creek from us. It was a lot, like between 50 and 100 tires, and it was more than we could do to get them out. And so Cascadia came and they brought some other entities and cleaned the creek out and got all that stuff out. Then we started a conversation with them about our land because our horses were a little bit close to the creek, for they wanted to move them back so that they weren't polluting the creek. And we had a round pen where we worked our horses, and they offered to help us replace the round pen, move it to another location if we would move our fencing back. And so that was our first encounter with them. They also offered to do some plantings. So we brought in some new plants, some things with more color, things that would feed the birds, things with berries, and things that would enhance the creek. Then later in the last, what's it been, about 3 years maybe, they've been working on doing some like mock beaver dams where they use natural things to stop the creek and let it rest in a pool for a while and then continue on. So we've created a series of like little ponds, and instead of it just being a lot of brush and congestion, you know. So that's really improved the creek as well.
Little Chumstick has a lot of things going on. Some of them are, it's really hot, so it's too high in temperature. There's E. coli in the creek, high levels of nitrogen, high levels of phosphorus. So really just trying to establish that riparian buffer for the health of the creek. So we try to connect projects as much as possible because you can just make a bigger difference. On Chumstick, the parcels are pretty small and segmented, where a lot of landowners own 300 linear feet, 500 linear feet, 200 linear feet. So it's a pretty small footprint, and we're happy to do anything in a small area, but it just works better if you can connect them. And then we're non-regulatory. So I think that's also a really great connection with landowners, where no one has to worry that we're gonna like report them. We really just wanna work with people to like, once again, preserve that soil and water, which are so precious. Once they aren't here anymore, they're not here.
I'm really excited about them bringing in more plantings and changing the creek so that it doesn't just flow fast, dry up fast, and be gone. I mean, it is the water source for this area.
Having a good relationship with our landowners is absolutely critical. Like, none of the work that we do could get done without their support. We try really hard to develop that relationship to where it's like really open and transparent, because we want to recognize that we are working on their land. This is private land, and we view that as a privilege. We're doing it, you know, for their benefit and then the greater community's benefit.
Our experience has been great with everybody we've worked with. They've always asked permission, let us know when they're coming on our land. When they're doing the planting, they show us the list of what the plants are, let us have a choice in what's going to be put in. Yeah, there's always a lot of communication about what's being done, and at any time we have input.
When it comes to restoring our waterways, there's strength in numbers. Every stretch of stream restored makes a difference, and you don't have to do it alone. Cascadia Conservation District is here to help, working alongside incredible local partners like Cascade Fisheries, Trout Unlimited's Wenatchee Entiat Beaver Project, as well as various other state and federal organizations, all united to protect and restore the waters that define our home. If you live or manage property along a stream in Chelan County, contact Cascadia Conservation District to see what resources are available to you. Our waters are our legacy. Let's take care of them together.